so much for joining me again. Today we're going to do a Yin Yoga practice that will help improve our digestion. We are doing a lot of twists and poses that will help internally massage our digestive organs. We won't be using any props for today, but if you need one or more, just feel free to prepare it for you. Let's begin. Gently arrive to your child's pose. Bring your toes together and your knees apart. Walking your hands forward and resting your forehead down onto your mat. Stay in stillness. Hold the pose and rest your awareness on your beautiful breath. This pose is a good way to massage your abdominal muscles. Scan your body. Ensure to soften every part of it as you allow your breath to flow in every cell of your body. Please trust that I am taking care of the time. Just stay in a state of rest, body, mind, and spirit. On your next in-breath, slowly slide your hands forward as you extend your legs down onto the mat, resting your belly down on your mat space. Bring your arms down to the side body. Stay here for a couple of breaths. As we transition to our next pose, please be mindful of your breath. Take a deep inhale. Exhale, bring your hands forward, palms facing down. Gently press the mat, lift your head up and your chest, shoulders directly under your elbows. Ensure to expand the space between your shoulders and your ears. Gaze forward. Focus on your breathing, your inhale and your exhale. Stay in stillness and relax every part of your physical body. This pose can help soothe your abdominals and back muscles from pain. Continue to allow your breath to be your guide. Bring your awareness to your body and feel the sensation as you mindfully exit the pose. Gently bring one arm on top of the other as you slowly rest your forehead onto your arms. Rest and relax in this shape. Lying onto your belly creates a gentle compression on your digestive system. Maintain a moment by moment awareness of your breath and of your body as you stay in stillness. On your next in-breath, gently move to the side of your mat and gently flip as you lie on your back, connecting your breath to every movement. Settle in with your breath. Transition your awareness to your right leg. Bring your right knee towards your heart center. Hold it for a couple of breaths. Inhale, exhale. Gently drop your right knee to the left side of your mat, allowing the gravity to work for you. Focus on your breath. Twists are wonderful for soothing your stomach and improving your circulation. Few more gentle breaths in the shade. Bring your awareness to your body. Feel the sensation as you gently exit. Then bring both knees to your heart center. Hug your knees. Feel the compression as you hold this posture. Compression increases the blood flow and reduces swelling to the abdominal region to promote healing. Bring your right leg down on your mat and allow your left knee to rest on your heart center. Stay here for a few breaths. Gently drop your left knee to the right side of your mat, allowing the gravity to work for you, focusing on your breathing. Stay in stillness, relax as you hold this posture. We have few more gentle breaths in this pose. Rest in the here and now. Inhale, exhale, gently bring your knee back to center. An option to rotate it clockwise and counterclockwise. Then bring your right knee back to the heart center, allowing your knees to compress your stomach. Hold for a few gentle breaths. On your next inhale, rest your feet down on the mat. Transition your awareness on your right leg. Bring your right leg over your left leg, then wrap it around. Slowly drop both knees to the left side of your mat, connecting your breath to every movement. Inhale and exhale. Stay in stillness and allow your breath to quiet your mind, to calm your spirit, and to relax your physical body. Twists are a wonderful way to massage your digestive organs. Inhale, exhale, gently bring your knees back to center. Unwrap it, then rock it from side to side. And whenever you're ready, go ahead and transition to the other side of the pose, synchronizing your breath to every movement. Few more breaths in this pose. Take a deep inhale, exhale, slowly exit the pose. Then rock your knees from side to side. Hug your knees for the last time, forehead to your knees. Rock it from side to side, giving your back a good massage. Gently release and rest your leg down on your mat. We have arrived in our final resting pose. Allow your body to sink down towards your mat space. Stay in a state of rest, body, mind, and spirit. It will help your body to benefit fully from the healing work you have just done. Thank you for practicing with me and allowing me to guide you.
please subscribe to my channel. Namaste.